salamat lalong-lalo na sa ating mga teams, all the 8 UAP teams and all 10 NCAA teams. I'd like to make special mention that the NCAA is celebrating their 100-year anniversary this year. Palakpakan natin ang NCAA. Here in ACES and SPAVI, we bring to you the SSL preseason tournament. Our goal is to be able to provide you, student athletes, with the best tournament that would make all your efforts, your sacrifices, your hard work worth your while. Alam namin, by next year, you will be joining your respective tournaments in the NCAA and the UAP. And we want to give you a tournament that will make it, or that will help you make it in those two tournaments. So this is really for you, and we are very happy that we have a complete cast this year. Congratulations to all of the teams and good luck. Again, hindi ho namin magagawa ito without the support of Shakey's. Palakpakan po natin ang Shakey's. Napakalaking tulong nila sa collegiate volleyball. At this point, let me thank also those that are responsible for us to be able to do this for the 3rd straight year this year. Smart Livestream, Puso Pilipinas, Solar Sports, Smart Sports, our technical partners ASICS, Mikasa, the official ball, Team Rebel Sports, our official uniform, Eurotel, Victory Liner, Genius Sports, Summit Bottled Water, SM Tickets, our partner, Commission on Higher Education, or CHED. Of course, the Philippine Sports Commission, headed by Chairman Richard Bachman. And of course, PLDT Home Fiber. Our tournament sponsors, we also have GCash, Cherry Tigo, F2 Logistics, Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken, RNBT, and our favorite French fries, Potato Corner. So again, to all of our teams, we wish you all the best and good luck to everyone. Thank you very much.